We start our journey in the heart of Botarekwa, a place once known for its natural beauty, now scarred by the insatiable hunger for gold. Mnangagwa's son, the Golden Sun some might say, has set up shop here, his mining operation tearing through the land, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The people of Botarekwa are paying the price, their homes, their livelihoods, their very way of life, vanishing beneath the weight of heavy machinery. Is this the price of progress? Or are we sacrificing our future for the glittering allure of gold? Mining, it's the backbone of our economy, the engine that drives our growth. But at what cost? Across Zimbabwe, the story is the same. Mines bring jobs, development, but also pollution, displacement, and conflict. We're caught in a delicate dance, trying to balance the need for progress with the preservation of our land, our people, our future. Can we find a way to mine responsibly, sustainably, or are we destined to repeat the mistakes of the past? They say it's not what you know, but who you know, and in Zimbabwe, that rings truer than ever. Take Kudakwashe Tagwiri, a name synonymous with wealth and power, a man who seems to have a knack for being in the right place at the right time. His company, Secunda Holdings, has secured lucrative government contracts, raising eyebrows and sparking allegations of favoritism and corruption. Is this a case of shrewd business acumen, or is something more sinister at play? Harare, our capital city, the beating heart of our nation. But today, that heart is struggling to beat. The Harare City Council is drowning in debt, crippled by mismanagement and corruption. Basic services are crumbling, garbage piles up in the streets, and the people are left to fend for themselves. This isn't just a financial crisis, it's a crisis of leadership, a crisis of accountability, a crisis that threatens the very fabric of our society. Who will step up and take responsibility for this mess? Across the Limpopo River, our neighbor South Africa grapples with its own set of challenges. But some say those challenges are being exacerbated by forces from within Zimbabwe. Zanu PF, the ruling party, is accused of meddling in South African elections, seeking to sway the political landscape in their favor. This alleged interference raises serious questions about regional stability, democratic values, and the future of our interconnected nations. Can we afford to let political ambitions undermine the delicate balance of power in the region? From the gold mines of Botarekwa to the halls of power in Harare, we've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. We've seen the devastating impact of corruption, the erosion of trust, and the urgent need for change. The time for silence is over. The time for truth is now. We must demand transparency from our leaders, accountability from our institutions, and justice for those who have been wronged. Thank you for joining me on this journey, for lending your ears, your minds, your hearts to this important conversation. Together, let us fight for a brighter future, a future where truth prevails and justice reigns.